All right, this is a demonstration of the AustinDrive pedal. These three AustinDrive pedals have different components inside them, all of which come in the kit, and you can choose how it sounds. So I'm going to demonstrate the different sounds that you can get from different pedals. I've also got a modern DS1. I've got a vintage 80s SD1. I'm recording through this Zoom recorder into a Fender Deluxe Reverb 2, also from the 80s, and I'm using a fake Les Paul with real Seymour Duncan Hurley Gates pickups. Those are the Billy Gibbons pickups. So let's do a demonstration. All right, clean channels first. AustinDrives are true bypass. That means it goes straight through without any buffers. These Boss pedals are buffered, and they have a buffer, so it goes through a buffer when it's off. All right, so distortion first. The Super Overdrive. A little more mid-rangey, a little more top-end remove. This is an AustinDrive with almost everything on, all the way as distorted as it gets. And then this is a middle range. All the controls are at noon, 12 o'clock. They're in the middle of their control field. This is a smaller one, less distortion. All right, so back to this one. All right, I'm going to turn them all the way down. That's the drive all the way down. AustinDrives have drive and output level. So you don't get to adjust the tone, you adjust that with your internal components. Here's the DS1. That's drive all the way down. Turn them all the way up. I'm going to turn the drive levels all the way up on all of these. Again, you can choose where the middle is on your AustinDrive just by changing the components that are inside and guided by the instructions. All right, here's the DS1. I'm sorry, yeah, DS1 all the way up. Here's the Super Overdrive. Here's my AustinDrive. This is on the verge of feeding back. And then this one, not so much. And then the lower distortion drive. Now, AustinDrive comes with 3 different graphics. It comes with this one plus 2 other ones. These are older models that I had here in the shop. So you can tell. You can even stack them if you want, so I can stack these 2 together if you make them. For some interesting sounds. Alright, so you get the idea. You can change the AustinDrive internals to match whatever kind of sound you want. If you go to a different band, just pop some different components in here and change your sound to be 70s rock or distortion or blues. Whatever you want to do, you can do that with the AustinDrive. You put your own graphics on, you can design your own graphics if you'd like. And then with the kit, put it all together, and then you'll have a pedal that you can use for years, and you can change if you need it. That's the AustinDrive DIY guitar pedal.